Okay, students, here we have question number 3 from exercise 2.1. To exercise 2.1, we need to find for what value of k the expression, here is the expression given, kx square plus 2 into k plus 1 plus 4 is a perfect square. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to find the value of k at which this expression is a perfect square. Let's find out the value of k. Okay ji, we just read about the discriminant which is used to find the nature of the roots of the equation. Let's solve it through discrimination method. Solution. Let's look at towards expression. What is a, what is b, what is c? I have a, k square. I have b is equals to 2 into k plus 1. I have c is equals to 4. What we need to find? Let's check out discriminant. B square minus 4ac. Is it? What is b? I have b is 2 into k plus 1. So 2 into k plus 1 whole square as b square minus 4. A is k square while c is your 4. Let's multiply. The square of 2 is 4. K plus 1 whole square. It means a plus b whole square give you what? A square plus b square plus 2ab minus 4 the 16k square. Is it? Let's multiply this 4 to the whole of them. 4k square plus 4 plus 8k minus 16k square. Let's subtract what I got. I got minus 12k square plus 8k plus 4. As it said, is perfect square. It means that's equals to 0. It means this is equals to 0. So what I got, minus 12k square plus 8k plus 4 is equals to 0. Look here, my highest power is negative. Let's multiply with minus 1 on both sides of equation. What I got this. When we multiply with minus 1, I got 12k square minus 8k minus 4. Is it? If you check this out, these all the values are multiple of 4. So just divide it by 4 on both sides of equation. What I got for 3 is the 12k minus 3k square. 2 is 8. 2k minus 1 is equals to 0. Here a standard form of quadratic equation. You have a higher order, you have a linear variable, you have a constant. Let's midterm break. Minus 1, 3 is a minus 3. So I need two numbers whose product is minus 3, and on addition they give you minus 2. 3k square minus 3k plus k minus 1 is equals to 0. Let's take common. 3 is common. 3k is common. K minus 1 is left in these two values. Plus 1 is common. K minus 1 is equals to 0. Look, they both are same. Means factorization is perfect. What I have? I have k minus 1, a 1 factor, and 3k plus 1. 3k plus 1, the other vector, is equals to what? 0. Let's find out the value of k by taking or by dealing these factors separately. What I got? K minus 1 is equals to 0, and here 3k plus 1 is equals to 0. I got k is equals to positive 1, and here I got k is equals to minus 1 over 3. So these are the values of k. Is it? Question complete. Let's move towards next question. Okay ji, here we have question number 4 from exercise 2.1. Find the value of k. Roots of equation are equal. As we know, if the roots of equation are equal, the discriminant always equals to 0. We just read the properties of discriminant. If your discriminant is equals to 0, then the roots are equal. So they just told you, find the value of k, roots of equations are equal. So your discriminant must be equals to 0. Let's solve it. Just take the value of a, b and c according to this equation. I have a is equals to 1. I have b is equals to 2 into k plus 2. And I have c is equals to 3k plus 4. Is it? Let's find out discriminant, which is b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. Why equals to 0? Because equations are equal. Roots of the equations are equal. Just because of that. Just put the values of b square. I have 2 into k plus 2. I have 2 into k plus 2 whole ka square minus 4a is 1 into c, which is 3k plus 4. Let's multiply. The square of 2 is 4. 4 into k plus 2 whole square, a plus b square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab 4k. Let's multiply these terms. Minus 4 into 3k. For 3 is the 12k. Minus plus minus. For 4 the 16 is equals to 0. Let's multiply these values. I got 4k squared plus 16 plus 16k minus 12k minus 16 is equals to 0. I got positive 16, I got negative 16. Same values with opposite signs cancel out. What I got? 4k squared plus 16k minus 12k. How many k is left? Plus 4k is equals to 0. Is there anything common? Both of them? Yes, 4k is common. What is left? K plus 1 is equals to 0. Let's separate out. 4k is equals to 0. And here k plus 1 is equals to 0. I got k is equals to 0. And I got k is equals to minus 1. That's how you find the value of k. These are the roots 0 and minus 1 of this equation. Clear? Okay ji. Well, in question 4 we have basically 3 parts. Yes, we have 3 parts. I just do the second one and you need to do first and third yourself. Question number 5.